let's plot this waveform. As you can see, there are many things we would consider peaks. This would be a peak, this would be a peak. There are several peaks of around this height. But what if we want to know how many peaks there are of a specific magnitude? Well, for that express purpose, we have a peak finding tool, which can be found in the Tools dropdown of the channel selector under Peak Finder. Before peak finding is calculated, the analysis is performed on the data, it is filtered, it is cropped based on its time limits, detrended, and integrated if specified. There are 4 options we give to specify what is considered a peak and what is not considered a peak. Minimum peak height, minimum peak prominence, threshold, and the minimum peak distance. For example, if we were to change minimum peak prominence to 1, as we have, and click plot histogram, we will see exactly how many peaks of each type there are. So let's say we want to analyze peaks similar to this, so a little bit above 2 meters per second squared. Well, we can see by our histogram that approximately 3 or 4 peaks of that magnitude exist. And we can say that the most peaks are between 0.5 and 1, closer to 0.5, and there are approximately 154 of them, something like that. If multiple subchannels are selected, for example, if we were to switch to all subchannels in our channel selector pane and then plot, you'll notice that one histogram is generated for each of the subchannels. So we have our X, Y, and Z acceleration histograms.